Hello everyone, another day, another verse of the day. So ayan guys, nandito pa lang ako ngayon sa coffee restaurant. Dito kami mag-breakfast. So wait a minute guys, give me 1 minute to share the word of God.
When the Lamb had taken the scroll, the 4 living creatures and the 24 elders bowed down in front of him. Each held a harp and a gold bowl full of incense, the prayers of the saints. Revelation chapter 5 verse 8.
That's all for today. So sana po yung mga verse for today. Makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. Then ayan po, kung nakaabot po kayo hanggang dulo ng ating video, huwag pong kalimutan mag-follow and subscribe sa ating social media platform, mag-like and mag-comment down below kayo kung taga saan kayo para naman malaman natin kung saan nakabot itong video na po. That's all for today. Ingat po tayong lahat and huwag pong kalimutan magdasal. See you again sa ating mga susunod na video. God bless us all. Bye!